Welcome guys. Today in this video gonna to show you how to type this symbol in MS Word. So very easy. First click on insert. After click on symbol. Click on more symbol. Type character code 00F3. After click on insert, click on close. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to type this symbol in MS Word. So first click on insert. After click on symbol, click on more symbol. Type character code 00F3. After click on insert, click on close. That is. So guys, this is very easy and simple method if you want to type this symbol in MS Word. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.